Booking forms are one of the fastest ways to turn interested leads into scheduled sales calls. Instead of manually messaging people back and forth trying to find a time that works, booking forms allow leads to instantly choose a time, schedule a meeting, and enter your sales process automatically. In this video, I'll show you how to create booking forms inside ClosingDealz and how to properly configure your scheduling settings. First, go to Bookings and click Create Booking. Once the booking form opens, you'll notice it looks very similar to the regular form builder. You still have widget settings, fields, submit options, engagement, security, and preview. But booking forms also include an additional tab called Meeting. That's what turns a regular form into a scheduling system. Starting with widget settings, this is where you customize the design and branding of your booking form. You can change the title and description, customize colors and fonts, choose different layouts, edit button styles, and even use custom CSS for complete design control. Just like regular forms, you can also embed booking forms directly onto your website. Next, let's go to Fields. This is where you collect lead information before someone books a meeting. Most businesses will collect name, email, and phone number. But you can also ask qualifying questions before the call. For example, monthly revenue, budget, or goals. This helps your team understand the lead before the meeting even happens. And just like regular forms, ClosingDealz supports both. Lead fields and question fields. Lead fields are stored directly on the CRM record. Question fields are stored only inside the form submission. Now let's go to the most important section, the Meeting tab. This is where you configure how scheduling works. You can automatically create video meeting links, set meeting duration, require minimum booking to notice, limit meetings per day, adjust time slot intervals, add buffer times before and after meetings, control how far into the future people can book and assign meetings to specific users. This is important because scheduling systems are not just about convenience. They help your business stay operationally organized as volume increases. For example, buffer times help prevent back-to-back meetings and reduce calendar overload. Minimum notice gives your team time to prepare before calls. And meeting limits prevent your calendar from becoming unmanageable. Further down, you'll see meeting availability. This controls when people can actually schedule meetings. Inside your calendar settings, you can configure available days, working hours, holidays, or unavailable periods. ClosingDealz also supports Google Calendar integration to help prevent scheduling conflicts and double bookings. And you can set availability either to busy or free on meetings to prevent scheduling conflicts. Next, let's go to Submit Options. This controls what happens after someone books a meeting. You can show a confirmation message, provide a downloadable resource after booking, or redirect users to another page. Then we have engagement. Just like regular forms, booking forms can also be used as pop-ups on your website. You can trigger them immediately on scroll or based on user behavior. Next is security. Here you can restrict which domains can embed the form and enable spam protection to block bots and fake submissions. Finally, inside Preview, you can test the full booking experience before publishing it live. Once the booking form is ready, simply turn it live. Then you can either embed it directly on your website or copy the booking link and send it directly to leads through email, DMs, or follow-ups. When someone opens the booking link, they'll see your live calendar and available time slots, allowing them to instantly schedule a meeting with your team. Once a lead books a meeting, everything is automatically stored inside the lead record. You'll be able to see the original form submission, booked meetings, notes, tasks, linked deals, and the full activity history for that lead. This gives your team complete context before every sales call Instead of searching across multiple tools, everything stays centralized inside Closing Deals. This removes friction from the sales process and helps increase booked calls significantly. The faster a lead books after showing interest, the higher the probability they actually show up and become a customer. And that's exactly why booking forms are such an important part of scaling agencies, consulting businesses, and high ticket service companies.